Hello! In this guide, we'll create an interactive tutorial for our game using Tutorial Master. To follow along, you'd need to have a functioning UI and Tutorial Master imported. With that out of the way, let's begin. To get started, go to GameObject UI Tutorial Master Manager. This will create a canvas game object with a Tutorial Master Manager component. Tutorial Master runs on a dedicated canvas, which helps keeping things running separately without disrupting the existing UI. In the Tutorial Master Manager component, click Edit and it will open it in the Tutorial Master window. Create your first tutorial and give it a descriptive name. Next, we'll add a new stage. This stage will include a pop-up asking the player to click a button and a pointer to highlight that button. Right-click, Add Action, Spawn Marker. For marker pool, specify pop-up. A mod should be anchor-based. Set the alignment to top so it will be at the top of the screen. Set the message text. We don't need to set header or button label text. Now, for pointer, repeat the same steps. Add action, spawn marker. For marker pool ID, assign pointer, and the mode will be canvas transform based. For target canvas, assign the canvas of the game. And for target transform, assign the button. Set the alignment bottom and the fixed direction to up. This will ensure that the spawned pointer will always be positioned below the button and point upwards. This is a good time for us to test our tutorial. In order to do that, we need to create a C# script that will start tutorial as soon as the game begins. First off, we'll get rid of all boilerplate code and create IEnumerator start method. This is a built-in Unity event function that allows us to use coroutines. Next, we'll create a field of type Tutorial Master Manager and assign it at the start. We would then wait until Tutorial Master has finished initializing everything. We need to do that as Tutorial Master needs to instantiate marker pool. Finally, we call start tutorial and pass our tutorial name. And that's it. Upon entering play mode, the tutorial will now start and you should see pointer and pop-up markers in action. It would be great to guide the player to the next stage after they click the button. Let's do that. Right-click, add event, on button click. Assign the desired button to the button field, then go back to stage, add action, next stage. Clicking the button now takes us to the next stage. Since there is only one stage at the moment, the tutorial simply ends. Let's now add matching stages for the other two buttons and see how it all comes together. With that done, we now have a fully functioning tutorial that players can follow along. You might notice that other UI elements could still be interacted with during the tutorial. This is not ideal since we don't want our players breaking the flow of the tutorial. To fix this, use the dim overlay feature. This will dim the entire UI and prevent any user clicks. Add a new action named Add Spotlight Elements and set the game canvas and button transform. We can also tweak the dim overlay in the configuration section of the Tutorial Master window. And we're done. We have a very nice, well-paced, interactive tutorial for our players. We can take our tutorial even further by adding loop and entrance effects to our markers. For more advanced topics, check out the documentation. Tutorial Master also includes example scenes to help you get started quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via Discord or email. Everything is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.